Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the secret ridge stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, how to make the double crochet stitch, and the back post double crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you can make any number of chains. I have already made 22 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 double crochet into the 3rd chain from your hook. Then you're going to make 1 double crochet into each chain across. So that's 1 double crochet into the 3rd chain and then 1 double crochet into each chain across for row 1. To start row 2, make 2 chains. Skip the first stitch in this row. Into this next stitch, you're going to make a back post double crochet. You're now going to make 1 back post double crochet into each stitch across until you reach the last stitch of your row. When you reach the end of your row, you're going to have 1 stitch left. Make a regular double crochet into that stitch to complete this row. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 2 chains. Skip the first stitch in this row. Into each stitch across, you're going to make 1 double crochet. And that's how row 3 is looking. This is how the back of our work is looking. This is how the front of our work is looking. You would now alternate between rows 2 and 3 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the secret ridge stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.